Okay, so guys, this is how to fix um problems on your Binance app. So if you are facing not loading, getting stuck, is your Binance is crashing, not opening, not working. This is what you have to do. Like if it's having any problem, what you have to do is to first go to your phone, try to tap on your Binance app like this. Then you tap on this section. Let me show you this. Tap over here. So tap on it. Then you're going to get into the app info of Binance. So when you get over here, tap on the first stop, then tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Then after that, it's going to open. Then you tap on clear cache. Now tap back. Then tap on notifications. Then make sure the show notification is go on like this. Then you go back. Then you tap on permissions. Make sure you allow every permissions over here. So you have to just allow the camera, calendar, and also you have to allow location, microphone, and phone. You also storage. After allowing everything, just go back. Then you have to go to your Binance app. So let me show you. Tap on advance. When you tap on advance, you are going to see app details over here. So tap on the app details. After tapping on it, you're going to see that you haven't been updated on Binance. So what you have to do is to tap on updates. So let's tap on it. So as you can see, it's updating itself. So let's wait as it's downloading. So as you can see, we are done with the app downloading, and it's now installing on our device. So let's wait as it's installing. So as you can see, it have been updated and we have the latest updates of Binance. So let's try to tap to open our Binance. So after updating it, when you tap on open, it's going to take some while. It depends on your network that you're using. So this is our Binance account. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and I hope this has been helpful to you. See you in the next one. Bye.